Welcome back to MPV Auto. The Fiat Argo was initially introduced in 2017 as a subcompact hatchback that was specifically designed for the South American market, superseding the Fiat Punto and Palio. The car's modern design, competitive pricing, and performance that was specifically designed for daily use resulted in it becoming one of Fiat's most popular models. The compact dimensions of the Argo were intentionally chosen to prioritize urban driving comfort while still ensuring a capacious interior. Although this rumor is merely a figment of the imagination, it is hoped that it will serve as a source of inspiration in the future. Rumors indicate that the Fiat Argo 1.0 will undergo substantial modifications in order to preserve its market position in 2025. The 2025 Argo is equipped with a 1.0-liter Firefly 3-cylinder engine, which provides responsive performance and exceptional fuel efficiency. This engine is engineered to satisfy the requirements of urban driving while maintaining minimal operating costs. Design-wise, the 2025 Fiat Argo maintains its distinctive dynamic lines, which are enhanced by contemporary features like integrated LED daytime running lights. In general, the Fiat Argo 1.0 2025 is an exceptional option for consumers who are in search of a contemporary hatchback that boasts a sleek design, comprehensive safety features, and high efficiency. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.